Hello and welcome once again. I'm going to be attempting the 6 Nerdle puzzles. I don't think I've said this before, but if you do like the content, feel free to give the video a thumb up or comment and give me ideas on future videos or future sums that I should be starting with. But in the meantime, we'll crack on with the usual starter puzzle, and the usual starter sum hasn't given us much information. Again, it could be division. I'm going to try 40 divided by 5 divided by 8, because this gives us all different digits. Okay, so the equals is in the right place. We've got pretty much all of the digits. It's probably something times 1. And then if it can't be divided by 8, it has to be divided by 5. I'm not sure if this is forced, because it might be something other than the times. But it looks pretty forced, and it is correct, which is all that matters. If there was another solution that was possible at that stage that I didn't see, doesn't matter. I'll never get to see it. On to the binodals. Equalses are in different places. We have not got that much information on the... Or we've ruled out quite a lot of things from the bottom one, is what I meant to say. I don't like 68, because we're going to struggle to find things that add up to it. Even 48 would be a bit of a problem. How about 48 minus 6 times 8? Oh, so we've ruled out even more things from the bottom one. Oh, of course, it's just going to be subtraction and subtraction. I hope this is right, because otherwise I've wasted 3 sixes. Okay, that's a relief. What have we got on the top one? We've tried all the digits now. So we've got 1, 2, 6, 9 and 0. And it's not minus or times, so it's probably plus. So it's probably something 9 plus something 1, because we know that it ends in 0. And what would the somethings have to be? 6 and 2 would work, because we have to get those in there somewhere. Yeah, the 1 and the 9 are the wrong way around. It did cross my mind that might happen, honestly. But got there in 5, that's kind of standard. On to the instant, which I think should be called speed, but never mind. Right, what are we going to multiply 3 by? 3 times 59. Oh, it's 177, not 167, which is what we would need it to be. 3 times 69 is clearly not 157. So if it is just equals 3 at the end, then it has to be something ending in 7. So what's... No, but 3 times 67 or 97 or 57 aren't going to work. So I think the equals has to be here, which is a bit annoying. So that means it's 3-digit number divided by a 1-digit number. Oh, it could be 7 and 1 like that. What are we going to multiply by 7? 7 times 93 is 651, I think. There we go. That was quite a tough one. I mean, it was only about 20 seconds longer than my Solve the Other Day, but that felt like a lot more difficult and a lot longer. Only one symbol makes it more difficult, because you've got more digits to place in the right place, and the given digit, the one in green, was at the end. So I think that was a tough one. Let's crack on with the speed one then. 59 minus 9 times 6, but then we haven't got a 4. Oh, we don't need it, we need a 5, but we haven't got that at the end either. How about 39 then? Minus 5 times 6. That's plausible. Wrong, but plausible. The equals 9 is correct, so we've ruled out pretty much almost every other place for the 9s. We're running out of places for the minuses. 90 divided by 5 is 18. So minus 9 equals 9 is a possibility. Oh wow! Was that really a minute? Less than a minute? Felt almost as long as the last one, but it was half a minute shorter. Crazy. Solved it in 3 though, very, very happy with that. Duplicated 9s, I think that was fairly difficult. Let's try something. No 1s or 2s. The equals is in the wrong place. We've got not a lot of information. How about 5 times 8 to give us new digits? Okay, must be 6 times 8 then. 3 guesses, never terrible. And finally, let's go to 12 over 4 for this one. We've got the 4 in the right place. I said 12 over 4, I obviously meant 12 over 3. Oh, so that top one, or 3 times 8, I think it has to be that or 8 times 3. Okay, we guessed the right one, that's lucky. And the bottom one is not going to end in 23, so it has to be, well, it can't be 7 times 3 because we've ruled out the 1. It can't be 8 times 3, so it has to be 9 times 3. I think that's forced. Yeah, so it's fairly lucky there to get, after that first guess, I think they were both forced in 2 and 3 respectively, so, or almost forced. Yeah, that's again about as quick as you can ever do for mini Nerdle. 3 guesses combined for the 2 of them. Pretty happy with that. Thank you for watching. Bye for today.